good morning, and welcome back to the podcast, Mackin With Des. I'm your host, Desiree Mack, and today we are in a new location, a very new location. We are currently dog sitting for one of my best friends at school and her family, and my cold, icy heart is actually slowly defrosting here and thawing out because I've never really been an animal person. Never been the biggest animal fan or pet fan, but I'm having a great time, and she's definitely keeping me occupied, keeping me on my toes. I like having a purpose, so that's nice. But yeah, it's been fun. I've been here for like 4 days at this point, I think, 4 or 5 days, and today might be day 5. And yeah, we're living it up. Her name's Leia. She's currently eating, or I would pick her up and show you guys her cutie little face, but we're gonna let her eat her breakfast. And while she does that, I get to make my breakfast. So today I'm gonna show you guys one of my absolute favorite smoothies to make ever for the gym, or just a quick breakfast before class, or yeah, just something simple that you can maybe bring on the go. We love a good smoothie. So first of all, we need to get our smoothie cup. Here it is. I got my blender and my smoothie cups off of Amazon. So yeah, I recommend Amazon. So the first thing that we're going to put in the cup. Oh wait, let me show you guys the ingredients we're going to be using today. Oh, I forgot one. Okay, so today we are making a chocolate coffee peanut butter banana smoothie. Oh, she's licking my leg. Thanks, baby. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Come here. Okay. Say hi, Leia. Yeah, we're having a blast. Okay, there we go. Hi, baby. Okay, so yeah. First thing, okay, so let me walk you through all the ingredients that we're going to be using. So for our liquids, we have, so for our liquids, we have some cold brew. This is cold brew concentrate, actually. And we have some milk. Almost dropped that hoe. Some milk, some non-dairy milk, preferably for me at least. And then we have our peanut butter, we have some ice cubes, a banana, of course, and some protein powder. This is chocolate. Usually I also add chocolate syrup, but I could not find any here, so we're just gonna use the chocolate powder. So first we're gonna start with our liquids in the cup. Do you wanna go outside? Do you go outside? Good girl. Okay, first we're going to start with our liquids. So we're going to do a little milk. A little milk. And then a little cold brew. Just a little. I really don't want to die, and it's just concentrate. So yeah, less than you would think. Okay. And then we come behind that with some peanut butter. There we go. Get a spoon. All right. And just yep. Okay, perfect. Spoon some of that right in there. And then, okay, then we drop in our banana. Now, this looks a little brown. Oh, just on the outside. Okay, she's fine. She's a good banana. Oh. I don't know if you guys saw how that crumbled, but that was so sus. If you guys want to hear a funny story, yesterday I made this exact smoothie, minus the coffee because I forgot it. And I put it in this plastic to-go cup from this coffee shop that I went to here. being all slick and cute. And I sat down at the table to do some stuff on my computer, get some work done. And I went to get up because I forgot something, and the doggy kind of trapped me in a little in the corner. So I was trying to get around her, knocked the smoothie completely off the table, hits the ground, cup breaks, smoothie explodes on the walls. And yeah, I had two sips of it, literally 2 or 3 sips of it. It was like a full, brand new smoothie for the gym that I was going to later. So today's actually a take 2, and I'm nervous. I don't actually even want to put it in one of those cups. I'm so scared. I'm never sitting over there ever again. I scrubbed the walls for a very long time, and there's still a little bit of stainage. And I'm like, I feel so awful. But this is just a reminder that everyone makes mistakes and accidents happen. No one's gonna be mad at you for making a mistake, and there's no point in really being mad at yourself because, obviously I could have prevented that, but also like, how was I supposed to know that was gonna happen and like fall off? Like there was a lid on it and everything. I thought I was being so safe, but whatever. Anyways, I thought you guys might find that just so funny, but maybe you're not laughing at my pain, so I appreciate that. She's rolling over on her back. Look at the baby. Oh my God. Are you sunbathing? Yeah, she is. It's hot outside. Oh my God. We've only been on our first walk and I've already sweated. Sweat. I swear I'm a writing major. Anyways, the next step is arguably the hardest just because I don't have any smaller ice cubes, but what we're gonna do, because we have these round ice cubes, is we're going to pop a few of these into a bag because my blender is not that extremely powerful, and it's kind of small. It's like a single serve blender, obviously, so I don't think they're gonna break up these big ass ice balls. So we're gonna put 2 ice balls in a bag. Bark. You don't even want to come in. You just want to bark at me. I'll fill these up later. So yeah, we put the ice in there, and then we're gonna grab a handy dandy mallet, and we will be breaking some ice today. What? Do you want to come in or not? Do you? Do you want to come in? Yeah, she's literally laying down still. She's not even standing up. Why are you barking at me? She's probably like, who are you talking to, crazy girl? Myself. Okay, now. Okay, yeah, and I don't actually know which side of this is better to use. I'm gonna try both. But yeah, hit them really, it's gonna be loud. I feel bad, but it's pretty early. And there's no one, we're on the 2nd floor. So there's no one below me. Just in the hallway around us. Sorry guys, ready? I'm gonna use the pointing side, I think. Okay, that worked so much better than yesterday. Literally one hit and I broke the whole thing. Okay, there we go. That worked out so much better than yesterday. I'm the new crushed ice pro. Okay, yeah, then we're gonna add all that ice. Yeah, someone on the counter, okay? You don't have to tell me. I'm just kidding. Okay. And yeah, and then the last thing we're gonna add right on top is our cocoa protein powder. What, Miss Girl? Oh, now you're laying on your back. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, darn it. I wish I recorded her. She was rolling around on her back. But, okay, here we go. Adding some chocolate. Okay, I actually don't like to do a full scoop because I don't really like the texture that it makes the smoothie. But, okay! Now you actually want in. 1 second, Miss Girl. Come in. Excuse me, honey. Okay. All right, now we're gonna blend this whole up. Okay, ready? We're coming over to my handy dandy blender. Hi guys. Lighting change. Okay, here's my blend. Here, I'll show you the front. Sorry, it sticks to the ground. This is my blender. It is Moss and Stone. And yeah, we'll just stick that on the counter, get our lid on with our blades, and then I like to shake it up a little, and then that all sounds good. That sounds pretty blended. Oh, this is very liquidy. I added lots of liquids, not enough ice, perhaps. I might put more ice in here, but let's try it. Cheers. Never mind, it's actually bussin'. It's actually really good. I don't want to ruin it. All right. That's awesome. And then, you know, clean up after yourselves. We're just gonna give this a little rinsey. Okay. And to finish our smoothie out, not that one. It is that one. Okay. All right. This is where everything went wrong last time. No, I'm just kidding. Now we're gonna take our smoothie, serve it up. Oh yeah. Dropped on my hand. At least it wasn't on the counter. All right, put the lid on, and there you have it. Coffee, chocolate, peanut butter, banana, protein smoothie. Honestly, that's a 10 out of 10 today. That's a 9 or a 10 out of 10 today. I did pretty good with that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make that, and if you try it, let me know if you like it. If you try it and you add chocolate syrup, let me know if you like it even more, because I do recommend the chocolate syrup, just to make it a little more sweet, flavorful for my sweet tooth girlies. This is like dessert in the morning. It's fucking awesome. So yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I hope you bring your smoothie with you to the office, to the gym, to the pool, on a walk, on a hike, to sit on the couch and binge watch Netflix, to watch Love Island. I don't care. But I hope you and your smoothie have a great day. Hope you're having a great week. Hope you're having a great summer. Hope you're having a great life. You deserve it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching me today. If you're new here, thanks for spending time with me. If you're not new here and you came back to watch me again, thank you so much. It's so nice. I'm honored. Please continue coming back for more episodes. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Desiree Mack. And remember, everything happens for a reason. And to make the most out of everything, make the most out of your life. Love you. XOXO. Bye.